You know, one of the things people quietly complain about but rarely talk about openly is joint pain. It creeps in slowly. Maybe it starts with stiffness in the morning or that dull ache in your knees when you climb stairs. For some, it's their fingers locking up when they try to open a jar, or a back that refuses to bend the way it used to. And if you've hit your late 30s or 40s, or especially beyond, you probably know what I'm talking about. Arthritis, inflammation, the silent fire that never quite leaves. Now, doctors often recommend painkillers or anti-inflammatory drugs, and yes, those can help, but the truth is, they come with side effects. Your stomach pays the price, or your liver, or you just find yourself dependent on tablets. That's why so many people are asking, is there a natural way to ease this pain? And the answer, surprisingly, might already be sitting inside your kitchen spice rack. Two humble, everyday ingredients that your grandmother probably used without even realizing their full power: turmeric and ginger. Let's start with turmeric. This golden spice, the same one that gives curry its bright yellow color, contains a compound called curcumin. And curcumin is like nature's built-in anti-inflammatory. Imagine inflammation as a fire burning inside your joints. Curcumin doesn't just put water on the flames, it helps calm the sparks before they grow into a blaze. Ancient Ayurveda in India knew this thousands of years ago. Chinese medicine too. They used turmeric for stiff joints, digestive issues, even wound healing. But here's the fascinating part. Modern science is finally catching up. Studies have shown that curcumin can reduce inflammation markers in the body almost as effectively as ibuprofen. But unlike ibuprofen, it doesn't eat away at your stomach lining or cause ulcers. There is one catch, though. Curcumin isn't absorbed very well on its own. If you just take turmeric powder, most of it passes right through you. That's why, traditionally, people mixed turmeric with black pepper or with fats like milk and ghee. Black pepper contains something called piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Think about that. The wisdom of pairing spices in cooking wasn't just about taste. It was medicine disguised as food. Now let's shift to ginger. You might think of ginger as that zesty root you add to tea, or maybe something you cook with in stir-fries. But ginger has been used for centuries to calm pain, reduce nausea, and fight inflammation. Its active compounds, gingerols and shawgols, act almost like natural painkillers. They not only reduce inflammation, but also protect cartilage from breaking down, which is one of the main problems in arthritis. Imagine your joints as shock absorbers. Over time, the cushioning wears away. That's arthritis. But ginger has shown promise in slowing that wear and tear. Clinical trials have found that people with knee osteoarthritis who took ginger extract reported less pain and more mobility than those who took a placebo. And unlike heavy-duty drugs, ginger comes with minimal side effects. Plus, it brings a bonus. It helps with digestion and circulation. So while it's calming your joints, it's also soothing your stomach and helping blood flow reach all those sore spots. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Turmeric and ginger aren't just effective separately. They work even better together. It's like a natural power duo. Both fight oxidative stress, which is basically the rusting of your cells. Both calm inflammation at the source. And both make your body a less friendly place for chronic pain to take hold. So how do you actually use them? Well, the simplest way is tea. A golden ginger tea. Just slice up some fresh ginger, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and let it simmer in hot water. Add honey or lemon if you like. That 1 cup a day could start shifting the balance inside your body. Another favorite is golden milk. Warm milk with turmeric, ginger, a bit of cinnamon, maybe some honey. Not only does it taste comforting, it helps your body absorb all the right compounds. And of course, you can simply add turmeric and ginger to your daily meals, soups, curries, stir-fries, or even smoothies. The key is consistency. It's not about 1 cup of tea making the pain vanish overnight. It's about small, daily doses that, over weeks, change the inflammatory environment inside your body. But before you run off to sprinkle turmeric on everything, here's an important reminder. Natural doesn't always mean safe for everyone. If you're on blood thinners, high doses of turmeric can make your blood too thin. Ginger, in large amounts, can cause heartburn in some people. And if you're pregnant or have gallstones, you need to be careful too. Always check with a healthcare provider if you're unsure. Safe amounts for most adults are about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of turmeric powder daily and a few slices of ginger root or half a teaspoon of powdered ginger. Think of it this way. You don't have to live with constant stiffness. You don't have to wake up dreading that first step out of bed. By simply weaving these two ancient spices into your daily life, you're not just spicing your meals, you're seasoning your health. It's like giving your joints the oil they desperately need. And while it won't be a magic overnight cure, the slow, steady effect can be life-changing. So the next time you brew your tea or cook dinner, ask yourself, am I just making a meal, or am I also making medicine? Because when it comes to turmeric and ginger, the answer could very well be both.